Hello and welcome to another episode on the Speechaus channel. Today I'll be talking about how to nail the 3 nasal consonants of English with one simple trick. Welcome, I'm Dr. Sarah Lobigeiger de Rodriguez, founder at Speechaus Clinic, and let's get into it. What you need for this episode is a small pocket mirror. If possible, you could also use a makeup compact. Granted, it has a mirror. There are 3 nasal consonants in the English language. Let's take a look at some examples. First, we have as in make. Then we have as in no. And lastly, we have as in sing. Like all our sounds, these sounds are made with what I fondly refer to as our speech machine. So let me get it. Nasal sounds are produced in this region in our vocal tract, and what we do with our nose will determine whether we accurately achieve them. The mouth is also involved. So let's get started. Nasal consonants are produced by releasing air through the nose rather than primarily the mouth, with the soft palate relaxed and open. Let's take a look at the soft palate. So here is your vocal tract. The soft palate gets involved in particular when you yawn. So hopefully you're not yawning at the moment, but you might like to do a yawn to get a good sensory awareness of what it is and what's moving. It's this soft flap of tissue that's at the back of your mouth. So if you take your finger and you palpate gently on the firm mucosa that is the roof above your tongue, and you go further back, you're going to get close to the gag reflex where you feel the tissue is soft. It's a little flap. That's your soft palate. And this is what is involved to create nasalized sounds. When we create nasal consonants, the pipe is open so that airstream coming from the lungs, this is the pathway to the lungs, hopefully you can see that, moves up and through the column so that it can exit into the room via the pathway of our nostrils. That's right, we use our nostril pathway for speaking too. This makes life really useful for today's demonstration because we're going to figure out whether you're releasing air through the nose with a nifty mirror trick. So here's how it works. Place the mirror underneath your nostrils with the reflective side facing up, and then make your target sound. So let's try our first one. When you release that sound, if you make that sound right, the mirror will fog up. Let's try another one. It's foggy. And lastly, we've got a nice amount of fog there. That warm air exits your vocal tract, contacts the mirror and fogs it up. And that's it. They are your nasal consonants. You've had a chance to get that sensory input visually from the fog and also in a vibratory manner from nasal vibration. Nasal consonants are not so tricky, but if you're speaking English and it's your second language, watch out for some confusion between, in particular, and It's important to differentiate with the nose buzzing, airstream and vibration through, and the correct mouth posture. It's also vital to ensure the sound happens, especially at the end of the words when it's a nasal consonant. Do you need more assistance knowing where to position your speech articulators for these consonants, or maybe others? Take the first step with the Speechaus Personalised English Pronunciation Audit. Our team of trained speech pathologists will systematically evaluate your current English speaking needs. We've got a plethora of science-based tips and tricks which will point you in the right direction for your professional speaking, providing improved speech clarity and confidence. Thanks so much for watching this episode today. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions that you have in the comments below and I'll be sure to reply. Have a great day ahead and ciao for now.